Okay, it's coffee time, and I've got my Espro Bloom Pour Over. I'm going to use my my peak water filter. I popped the peak water in my fellow stag kettle. That's all simmering there at 208. And I got my nice little cool fellow old grinder that I just ground up some coffee with. Ground up some nice Colombian. So this should only take a couple of minutes, I hope. Let's rock and roll. So I put 21 grams in. Got my hand on one and my hand on the other. 21 grams in. Just to tell you, I'm going to put it in, the bloom's going to go 3 times that, so I'm going to go up to about 63, and then I'm going to easy pour right up to 350. So let me press the timer here. There we go, beep, way to go. So here's the bloom. I'm going to go up to, I'm looking at a bunch of things here now. There we go, thereabouts. I got the bloom going, about 67, a little over. Notice the bubbles here. Give a little shake, that's the carbon dioxide that's leaving the fresh roasted coffee. Now you check with me too, down there, you notice that? I'm looking through my phone here. 28, 29, boom, 30. Nice easy pour. Obviously I'm spoiled with this kettle. Now I talked about kettles before. You don't have to have a gooseneck, there's other options. You can check my YouTube videos or just check on Instagram. This one works great, as you can see. I'm trying not to stay too close to the walls, because if I do, it's just gonna run down through. The beauty of being able to do this with a video is that I'm not gonna be stopping only until 350. The Espro Bloom is fantastic for that because it's so quick in the drawdown. It's amazing. I don't know whether to look in the camera or out. Oh, there you go. I got a good view here, so I'm just going to look down. Doesn't matter what order you do. I mean, you can do as you pour. Just keep it nice and steady. 320. Oh, here we go. Coming up to the end here now. 330. Oh, 48, 50. Bingo. Now I'm going to wait till about, actually 340. I was going to wait, but it draws down so fast, you can see. I gave that a shake because I want a level bed at the end. Now check the bed, check the time. Wow, look how fast that is. Talk about a quick cup of coffee, hey? Awesome. So that's my Espro Bloom. I'm going to pop this over here. I put that in my beautiful fellow taster's mug. But then I got one last quandary. What am I going to have with my coffee? Well, check it out. Blueberry, not blueberry. Fresh scones made by my wife this morning along with fresh strawberry jam. Does it get any better than that? Anyway, that's it for now. Cheers.